Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all the viewers. Hi, my name is Sifootime bin Lamid. I'm the owner of Sifootime Facebook page and a Microsoft Office trainer. I created this page 2 years ago as an avenue for me and my participants to get together and click as friends even after my session ends. It is also a platform for us to share knowledge in any form possible, either videos, links, or even question and answers. However, since MCO close to 3 months ago, people are looking into online learning and meetings. There is where it triggers me to take the opportunity in enhancing digital content in either Sifootime YouTube channel or Sifootime Facebook page. It started from a simple Facebook Live with Sifu Malik, then turns into a weekly program every Thursday at 9 p.m. But it doesn't stop there. With the support from my fellow trainers, come friends, come buddies, and now we are as close as a family, looking forward week in, week out to make Sifootime to where it is today. Sifootime is not just a brand. Sifu is a title that these friends rightly deserve. Whenever you see the trainer using the word Sifu before his or her name, remember that they are not part of an organization. Instead, they are part of my family. And today, we proudly gather as a family of trainers who love to share our skills and knowledge to all our beloved viewers. Sifootime is no longer a one-person ownership, but now it belongs to us, the trainers. And to that, we bring you our very own Trainers Virtual Carnival. So please sit back and enjoy this knowledge marathon with 17 incredibly good trainers you can find in the industry today. Our first speaker for today is Siti Suryani. Hi, Siti.
Hi, Saiful.
So,
Hi, good morning.
speaker for today, good morning. So, what
Hi.
will you be presenting to us as the first presenter?
Something related to Excel,
What would be the topic like, if you don't mind
um,
telling our viewers?
tips and tricks and magics, how to reduce time to help the participant to be able to do things faster and effectively.
Excellent. So, without further ado, I pass the floor to you. Good luck, Siti.
Thank you, Saiful.